My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles life insurance beneficiary disputes. Most life insurance beneficiary disputes are resolved through what's called an interpleader lawsuit. The life insurance company, when faced with competing claims, will most often go to court, file a lawsuit, and name the competing claimants as defendants. It's not because they want money from the competing claimants, it's because they need to bring them to court. So a judge will discharge the life insurance company from either uh, any kind of further liability, and then have the competing claimants make their case as to why they should receive the disputed proceeds. Now, usually the life insurance company will start this process, but sometimes also one of the competing claimants may sue the life insurance company for the insurance proceeds, and the insurance company will most often respond with an interpleader counterclaim. It is extremely important in that situation to hire an experienced interpleader lawyer. Now, what does that mean? Well, there's no specific certification or license for a lawyer who handles these types of cases. But there are lawyers around the country who do specialize in life insurance beneficiary disputes and handling interpleader cases. They've handled many. Personally, I believe I've probably handled about over 100 of these types of cases. Now, not all of them go to court, but many of them do. And it's really a matter of experience. Somebody who's experienced in handling estate related and insurance disputes, who focuses a substantial amount of their practice on handling life insurance beneficiary disputes. Occasionally, I'll come across potential clients who will call me and want me to take over a case from another lawyer uh, because they're unhappy with how it's going. And it's not necessarily because the lawyer is not a good lawyer, but maybe they're experienced more in family law disputes or in criminal law cases or in civil litigation that really doesn't involve interpleaders. And interpleaders can involve complex issues of federal or state law. If you can't figure out right up front whether or not federal or state law applies, you're going to be at a severe disadvantage in these cases. And as I've discussed on other videos, federal law is typically going to apply if you get your insurance through an employer, or if it involves an active service member, or a retired service member, or a federal employee. And those are many policies. I come across many 4, 5, 600,000, sometimes multi-million-dollar policies that are obtained through an employer because the term coverage can often be substantially less than going out on the open market and buying a large life insurance policy. If you're facing a life insurance beneficiary dispute, give me a call.